Alright, welcome back to the Essential Woodworking series. We're going to put the lid in now. So you've got your carcass, you've got your little handle piece, this is, and you've got a lid. So what you'll notice is the lid may not fit. That's normal. What we need to do is just a little bit of measuring to get it right. So I've got here 100, and it should be about 100 if you're doing this with me, because the measurement of this piece is 100. So I'm measuring in between the rebates at the front. You probably want to take another mil off that, so we're going to say 99. Grab our pencil. Measure from the other side. I might take that a little bit off. 99. 90, let's make sure we get it right. You can stand it up, it's a good way to make sure that it's both even. 99, and then use a ruler. I'm just going to use my old cabinet maker's trick. Alright, and just the same as what we've done a couple of times before, grab the plane and plane it. So nice and tight in the vise, as low as you can realistically, and basically go off. Now, you should be getting nice shavings out of this. The longer typically the better, just means that you've got a good setting here and also your blade's nice and sharp. Before I was planing against the grain, so against the lines in the timber, which means I couldn't go all the way through, but because the lines are going this way and I'm planing this way, you can go all day long. Just keep an eye on where you need to finish. And if you're not sure, take it out and try it and see if it fits. A little tip here as well, at the end, instead of just going flat, just do a couple on the edge so it rounds it off a bit, make it easier to slide in. So my lid, it's pretty good. Just needs to come down a bit there. Yep, and that's in. So the next step here, just grab your pencil and trace that line there when it's all the way in. So make sure that it's gone. Oops. And if you're having trouble get it out, use some pliers. Make sure that it's gone all the way into the groove. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to round the other edge off too. Just try it again. Yep, it will. I'll show you a quick few ways to make it slide better, but that seems to be sliding all right. I'll just do this first. So this is another one, just sticking in the vise. And with the plane, this is going against the grain, so try not to come out too much on there. Yep, excellent. So now what I'm going to do is put the lid on. So I might just quickly give the edge a bit of a sand. It does help when you're doing this. to sand it on the edge, just like when you planed it on the edge. It just helps it go in that groove at the end. If it's got a bit of a round on it, and it's not as sharp either. So, and another little tip, if it's what we call got a bow, so if it's not flat, it's actually got a bit of a rise in it, put the rise at the top. That way it's just easier to push here, whereas the other way you try and pull it, it's really hard. Alright, so stick it all the way in. It should be flush here at the end. If it's a little bit in, pull it out a tiny bit so that it's flush. If you push it all the way in and it's still sticking out, it's proud, then you're going to have to plane it a little bit more. Grab your handle, put a little bit of glue on there. You don't need a whole lot. This is raw timber, so it does soak it up a little bit. But just to give you some kind of example, hopefully this works. There's this. Can you see that? That's pretty much, I mean that drop is a little bit too much, but that's pretty much what you want. You can still see through it, but you can tell there's glue on there. Alright, put that on. It should be pretty much a perfect fit. You might want to check it before you start next time. And then just to hold it on, because we don't put nails in here, there's not really enough wood. I mean, you could from the other side, but it's just easier to do it like this. And I've done it quite a lot, and it works quite well. Just chuck some masking tape on there. You don't have to go crazy like I have. But that'll hold that on. 24 hours later, I'll be able to use it as a handle and pull it straight out. So that's that. Next video is just on making it look nice. And then we're done. So making it look nice is really important, and it does take a little bit of time. But it's what people see, so that's what's important. All right.